there? My name is Miles Z, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a great big bubble mailer, and this was actually sent to me by someone in the Discord. What was their name? Clowning Around. This is something that they sent me after one of my recent videos, so I wanted to go ahead and just take a look. First, we have got a whole bunch of wool in varying colors, so I think you might be able to see where this is going already. We've got a... can't tell if that's Chinese or Japanese right off of the bat, but we've got a little kit for some birds. Cute little birds. We've got a little kit for some dogs. That looks like Japanese to me. A little dog in a teacup. We have got a pad, a whole bunch of needles, just vague little needle felting supplies. Just some extras from what I've already got, it looks like. This is a lucky cat. That's kind of cool. We have got oh my god, an adorable little penguin. Look at that purple little penguin. We've got some kitty cats. Cute little cats. We have got a little piece of cake. Strawberry shortcake, it looks like. Put that one right there. We've got another one of the little burbs. So we've got two sets of those. We've got an adorable little ducky. Look at that, isn't that sweet? And the last one is a little pink teddy bear. So there we go. I'm not sure if I am going to do the kits as they show up. Let's look at the back of this one. So, contents. So this is what it comes with. It comes with the wool, a needle, the eye parts, a jump ring, and the ball chain. What you need are all the glue, pliers, scissors, ruler, and mat. And I bet that's going to be the same, yeah, on all of these. That one doesn't have anything on the back. But this brand, so we've got a few of these Daiso brands. Yeah, that's what that is. This is, this is also Daiso. So it's pretty much the same, just a little bit of a different style there. And this is, I don't know, nothing in English that I can read, so I'm not sure what brand that one is. That was sent to me by a viewer, so I'm not exactly sure what all I will be doing. Like, I might do some of these. That cat is really cute. So I might go ahead and do some of these as they appear. Others I might change up a bit. We will see, but that's adorable. So yeah, thank you to Clowning Around for sending me all this stuff. I'll be doing a lot of this probably on live stream. I think that's what I'll do. But I'm going to go ahead and figure out a place to put all this stuff. So thank you so much for sending me this. Thank you guys for watching, for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!